It's LISHI decoder VA6 tutorial for Pearl, Citroen, Renault, Toyota, DS, Smart. And let's get the proper view. At first, we have to find every wafer position by these 4 lifters. 1, 2, 4, 5 is done. Another 2 lifters. One is for 3, the other is for 6. And next, we'll find every position step by step by click ratio. Start from the first position. The first is spongy. Remember, the first and fourth are used by one lifter. The other lifter is for the second and the fifth position. Uplifters for the third and the sixth position. No waffles here. It must be the sixth. The other lifter must be the third position. We already use every lifter to find every wafer position. The second, the fifth, all positions ready. And next, keep pushing tension bar and pick this lock. From the first, not spongy, click, and the fourth, click. We use another lifter to pick the second and the fifth, and then the third position, not spongy, click. Go on, the sixth position, not spongy, click. The lock is already picked, and then get the code. Pay attention. Watch the arrow's direction. If the direction is right, the key code range 5, 6, 7, 8. The first key code is 7. Let's get the fourth. It's also 7. Let's watch the direction of another lifter. If the arrow is left, the range is 1, 2, 3, 4. And next, let's get the code from the second and the fifth position. The code is 4. The fifth, the code is also 4. Let's look at the uplifters. In the same way, the direction is right. The range is 5, 6, 7, 8. The third key code is 7. And the sixth is 3. Finally, input all this code into the machine. Cut by beating. Search VA2. Select 1125. Enter this option. Install the key blank, depending on the guiding picture. Key blank is ready. Input all key code on it. Please check and then click cut. It finished cutting both sides. Clean particles. And then have a watch. Try to turn on the lock. The spring is heavy, and use the clamp. It's nice, cutting perfect.